Welcome back to the Foundry, everybody. It's Justin here.
And Dylan.
And today, we are unboxing something you saw in an earlier video. The Elegoo Mars resin tanks. Two of them, the aluminum. We didn't go plastic this time, we want aluminum. Why?
Aluminum.
Or aluminium for our British counterparts. So let's see what actually comes in all this. Scalpel. Because we are very protective of this. Nice clean.
Oh look, we have terrain pieces again.
Now what you might notice with this is, look at this, these don't look like your usual. But if you go ahead and lift them up, there's your felt, there's our little thing over it. But there it is, aluminum. I mean, there's that. There's screws for changing it, or the wrenches for changing out. Always need those. So there's one. It's over here on the laptop, just so we don't puncture that. So now the big question is, will this fit on the Mars 2? So one of the most important things is always wear your PPE. We're wearing gloves here, so come through, loosen this on up. A little more. Here we go, and that's why we loosen. Of course, stuck my hand right on in it, but it's okay. So we come over here. And we're gonna take our lid that we got, and it fits right on there.
Like a glove.
Which, on this package, it says it's made for the Mars and Mars Pro, but literally it's the same build plate by the looks of it. Slide in the new one. And of course, we gotta take the film off the bottom, but that's will come before we print.
So what I like about this one is it has a max fill line.
Yes, it does, and it screws right on down. And there you go. That's how easy it is. You now have a new Feb. These weren't that expensive. They're aluminum, so you know they're gonna last. And this gives us an opportunity now to be able to switch out the resins as we want without having to go, oh, I need to pour back into the bottle. Okay, this can sit for a minute, it's covered. Sunlight's not gonna get to it and cure it. So, with that being said, there you go, the Elegoo Mars resin tanks, replaceables.